Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vudu on Fire TV step by step clearly. To activate Vudu on your Fire TV, start by turning on your Fire TV device. Navigate to the home screen. Using the remote, select the search icon at the top left corner. Type in Vudu using the on-screen keyboard. Choose Vudu from the search results. Select Get or Download to install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Vudu app. You will see options to either sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then select Sign In again. If you're new to Vudu, choose Create Account and follow the prompts. Once signed in, the app may prompt you to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on the screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the Vudu activation website. Enter the activation code in the provided field. Click on Continue to complete the activation process. Return to the Vudu app on your Fire TV. Your Vudu account should now be activated and ready for use. Start browsing and enjoy your favorite movies and shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.